South Africa has criticized the United States as reports emerge suggesting Washington could receive white Afrikaners as the refugees as early as next week. Also, documents seen by the BBC's US partner, that is CBS, describes the potential resettlement as a priority for the President Donald Trump's government. However, the timing has not been publicly confirmed by the White House. Also, in the statement published on Friday, the South Africa's foreign ministry described the purported move as the politically motivated and designed to undermine the South Africa's constitutional democracy. In February, the Trump described the Afrikaners as victims of the racial discrimination in an executive order, opening up for the prospect for them to resettle in the United States. Also, the South African authorities said that they would not block the departure of those chosen for resettlement, but said that they had sought assurances from the United States that those selected have been fully vetted and did not have any pending criminal charges. The statement added that the allegation of the discrimination against the country's white minority were unfounded and that crime statistics did not indicate that any racial group has been targeted in the violent crimes on farms. Also, some groups representing the rights of the white farmers have also said they are being deliberately killed because of their race. Also, a spokesperson from the United States State Department told the BBC that they were interviewing individuals interested in the resettling in the United States and prioritizing Afrikaners in the South Africa who are victims of unjust racial discrimination. Also, they did not confirm when the resettlement would begin. The Trump administration has also accused the South Africa of seizing lands from the white farmers without compensation, sometime and something Pretoria has repeatedly denied. Also, Elon Musk, a top advisor in the Trump administration who grew up in the South Africa during the apartheid, has been critical of Pretoria, claiming that it is leading a genocide against the white farmers. Also, the US officials have planned a press event on Monday at the Dulles Airport in Virginia to welcome the group, the document seen by the CBS shows. Also, according to the US media, 54 Afrikaners will arrive as part of the first group. The decision to accept the South Africans as refugee comes as the Donald Trump administration has halted nearly all migrant asylum claims. Also, in February, the South Africa criticized Trump's executive order opening the United States up for the resettlement of the white Afrikaners, saying that in the statement that it is ironic the United States is open to accepting a group that remains amongst the most economically privileged while denying vulnerable people from other parts of the world asylum.